The new object selection tool in Photoshop is capable of quite extraordinary cutouts. Here's a motorbike rider in a rather dusty field. Let's give him a better environment. We'll choose the object selection tool. If you can't find it, it's nested behind the magic wand tool. And as we roll over the image, you can see it selects the ground, the trees, the sky, the rider, and the bike. We'll go to Select Subject, and it'll take a little while to process the image, and there's our rider selected. While we have the object selection tool selected, it's going to produce this overlay, so let's switch to a different tool. We'll go to Layer, Layer Mask, and Reveal Selection. Let's give him a new background. We'll need to move him down, so I'll switch to the Move tool and drag him down into place. But he could do with a shadow behind him. Hold Command or Control and click on the thumbnail for this layer mask. We'll make a new layer and we'll call it Shadow. And we can fill this with the foreground colour. We'll drag it behind the rider and use Free Transform to scale it. Hold Command or Control and grab the top handle, and now we can drag this down, and with the same key held down we can drag the middle handle on the side to move that up so the bottom of the shadow meets the wheel of the bike. We can reduce the opacity of the shadow slightly. Let's take it down to 70%, and there's our rider in his new location. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel.